Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in the billet silver metallic. It looks great. You got the Jeep logo right up front with that chrome accenting on the grille. You do also have bifunction halogen projector style headlamps right there. They are very bright as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them as well. They look great. You got the Cherokee logo there and the heated exterior mirrors. Help you get going a little bit quicker in the winter. They won't get all frosted up. Now coming around the back here, we do have the Sport logo, the Jeep logo, and the 4x4 logo with our backup camera hanging out right there. Now, as long as it is unlocked, there is just a button right here. You just open it up just like that. Now, tons of room back here, very soft. You'll be able to haul lots of stuff around. You can also lift this guy up, and there's some additional storage just underneath there. Now we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is very nice as well, especially in the winter. It'll get you going a little bit quicker, make it nice and warm for you. Now let's unlock and jump on in. On the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. Bit of that silver accenting handle here, and it is very soft leather as well. You also got some storage just down here. The controls over your seats right there. And we do also have the controls over our lights, so our off, our on, and our daytime running lights, as well as our interior light control right there. And we also have the controls over our turning signals and our high beams right there. Okay, got the keys here, so let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We can change it from the speedometer in the middle there to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. It also has the temperature outside, what gear we're in, the direction we're facing, and how many kilometers this vehicle has been, which is only 48,000, not very many. Now that is controlled from the steering wheel right here, as well as you have your voice recognition and your call-out buttons for your Bluetooth, horn in the middle, and your cruise control options on the other side. Right over there is the controls over our windshield wipers. And around the back here, we do also have our volume up and down. Never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. Always a plus. In the center, we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display, so we have AM and FM as well. We do have our media tab here if we have one hooked up through our USB, aux cord, SD card slot, or Bluetooth. We also have our phone if we have one hooked up, our compass right over here, our climate control. We do have our heated seats and steering wheel, as well as our fan. Then we also have our more options right there. Down the climate control, we do have our volume up and down, our screen off, our traction control, our back button, and our browser. As well, we have our AC, our circulation, power up and down, power here. Sorry, our heat up and down, and our power here, our off, and our front rear defrost. And then right down here, we do have our SD card slot, our USB, our aux cord, and a 12-volt plug-in. And then here we do have the terrain select, so we can switch up how it drives from snow to sport to mud, and it makes it drives a little bit easier in those situations. You got your gear shift here, and when you are in reverse, you do have that backup camera, which is ever so nice. You do have electronic parking brake, so you just press it in with your foot. Oh, sorry, you pull it back with your foot on the brake, and then when you're all done, you push it down, and you're all good. You have your cup holders in the middle, and then you also have your armrest right here, and it does open up, and you got some storage in there, and you do got some more just under there with a USB plug-in and another 12-volt plug-in. It is a very soft interior as well, very comfortable and squishy. It'll be good on long car trips. Plus, you do have your glove box here, and it is a locking glove box, so if someone did break in, you could lock it and no one would be able to get in. Got your manual in there as well. And then up top here, we do have some lights as well as a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, we do have that same silver accenting, control over our windows, handle here, and some storage down here. Lots of room back here, as well as you do have the same seats as the front, and they are very comfortable. You can also pull this guy down just like this, and you got some cup holders right here. And you can also pull this, fold it down, and you do have even more room to put stuff in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.